Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into something sleek, smart, and seriously cutting edge, the Oura Ring 4 in silver. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price available. First off, let's talk design, because wow. The Oura Ring 4 is beautifully minimal. The silver finish looks clean, modern, and high-end without being flashy. It's made from durable titanium, so it's ultralight and strong. And because it looks like a regular piece of jewelry, you can wear it with anything: gym gear, work clothes, or even formal wear. But don't let the minimal design fool you. Under the surface, this ring is packed with sensors. It tracks sleep, heart rate, temperature, recovery, stress levels, activity readiness, and more, all with incredible accuracy. What I love is that it doesn't just count steps or hours of sleep, it gives you personalized insights into your body's recovery, readiness, and overall health trends over time. With up to 8 days of battery life, you're not constantly worrying about charging. And the new Gen 4 sensor upgrades mean even more accurate sleep staging, heart rate variability, HRV, and SPO2 tracking throughout the night, perfect for optimizing your recovery and performance. Setup is simple. You start with the Oura sizing kit, included. Try on the sample rings to find the perfect fit, and then Oura ships you the exact ring size. Once it's on your finger, you honestly forget it's even there, until you check the app and realize just how much data it's capturing. Whether you're into biohacking, fitness, mindfulness, or just want to sleep better and manage your energy, the Oura Ring 4 delivers elite performance in the smallest, sleekest package possible. It's not just a fitness tracker, it's a 24/7 wellness companion that helps you listen to your body like never before. If you've been waiting for a wearable that fits your lifestyle and doesn't scream tech gadget, the Oura Ring 4 is absolutely worth it. Check the link below for the latest price and to grab the sizing kit plus ring combo to get started. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments, are you a smartwatch person or a smart ring believer?